How to open a Capital One bank account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you're wondering how you can do that, these are the methods you can follow up. So for that, you can head over to a preferred browser and type in Capital One bank account and you should be finding the results. You can just go ahead and tap on the first link that appears on your screen. So when you do that, you should be finding this interface on your screen. So all you need to do in order to create an account online is at the top right corner of the screen, you should be finding a sign in option of the website. So you can tap on it to open up the sign in page. And when you do that, you should be finding the sign in page where you need to enter your username and password in order to sign in your Capital One if you've already created an account. But if you haven't, in the sign in page in the bottom, you should be finding an option that says set up online access right under the forgot username or password. So I can tap on this one right here, this option that says set up online access. And when you do that, you should be led towards another page. So when you do that, you will be led towards another page where you need to where they need to locate you in their system. So make sure your location is turned on first, and after that you need to go ahead and fill up this form first. So first in this section you need to enter up your last name first, after that your social security number or ITIN, and then you can also use a bank account number instead if you already know. After that you can go ahead and tap on the date of birth to enter up your date of birth and get started. Once you do that, all you need to do is follow the on-screen prompts. You need to just fill up the forms they ask you to do so. When that is done, when everything is completed, you will be having the online access for your Capital One account. So that is it for now. That is how you basically create an online account for your Capital One. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.